Hey, welcome to a fresh new episode of the TD News Show, and let's talk about some AI. Well, AI is all the rage right now, and everybody is trying to make their own AI. And in the midst of it, some researchers are coming out from MIT and several University of California campus work together with a startup AI company named AI Zip or Azip. They have come up with a way to create AI from AI. Well, what do I mean by that? Well, most of the AI that we use, like ChatGPT or Bard or any other, they work on a big AI that is very expensive to run. For example, the ChatGPT's AI takes around $700,000 to run per day. So to cut the cost, now the plan is to build AI with AI. That means without any human intervention, AI will be able to build smaller AI. That means Big Brother AI will build Small Brother AI. Or another example, it would be a reverse ensemble learning. In AI, there is a concept called ensemble learning. That means you take a lot of weak models. For example, let's just say a decision tree model, and you build all of them together to build a strong model like random forests. So it's a reverse situation where you have a random forest version, and that random forest is intelligently and automatically making a lot of decision trees for smaller and not so mission critical work. And that could be great for a lot of different areas where the output is not that much mission critical, and at the same time the small AI will improve the efficiency at the same time. And these AIs are called tiny ML or tiny machine learning model. Now, if you think that is not scary, let me tell you something scary. Well, some researchers have found a way to make AI from human brain. To be exact, human brain stem cells. They have grown stem cells and made AI which is efficient and at the same time powerful. And I really don't want to talk about this extensively because I don't think I would be the best person to explain this. So I have linked down the article. Go and check it out. But honestly, these things scares me. Like, I love AI. Like, I love how the industry is moving forward, but whenever I hear these things, it kind of scares me about, well, the evil side of science. And this is not evil, but it kind of sounds like that. But if you think that AI is evil because it's gonna take your job, well, Deloitte, one of the biggest tech consulting firm, have found a way to use AI and not lay people off. Well, they are using AI to analyze their employees so they will be efficiently move them from one project to another project, keep people from getting on bench, or even promoting them by using AI. Now, we have been getting a lot of leaks and rumors about the upcoming Ryzen 8000 series Hawk Point APUs, but this time it looks like that it is coming pretty soon. And the flagship Ryzen 7 8700G will come with 4.2 GHz clock speed with 8 cores and 16 threads. Well, that's not it. AMD also made the FSR3's source code on GPU open. That means that right now the FSR3's source code is open. It's any developer who wants to integrate that or anybody who wants to use it, it's now available on the GitHub. And the result of it, that some modders have made FSR3 on Cyberpunk. That means in Cyberpunk 2077, no matter which GPU you have, by using this mod, you can use FSR3's frame generation mod, which if you have a low-end GPU and if you want to play Cyberpunk 2077 at a comfortable 60 FPS, but your current setup doesn't allows you to, well, you can try this mod and see yourself that will it improve your performance or not. Or you can wait for Nvidia's upcoming Super Series GPUs. On January 8, it is rumored that we will see the announcement of RTX 4070, 4070 Ti and 4080 Super. Now, the timeline looks weird, but I think Nvidia is doing it so that the whole January month would be for them. Like, you have frequent releases with frequent embargo left. And that's a good marketing tactics if the pricing are right and the performance is good according to the price. If not, then the whole January month you will see on your YouTube feed everybody saying that how bad the Super Series are. And well, by the way, Nvidia is conducting their business, it's a 50-50 chance, honestly. Intel's new frame generation technology XESS is coming pretty soon. But the XESS uses a different pipeline where the latency will be a little lesser compared to AMD and Nvidia's version. Now, if you want me to explain or compare like Intel's pipeline of frame generation, Nvidia's pipeline of frame generation, and AMD's, like compare all of them, let me know in the comment section. I would love to do those very nerdy, deep dive into the technology sort of videos. I would really love to do those. So let me know in the comment section, would you guys love to see that or not? And while we are on the topic of Intel, they again emphasizing that the Battle Mage GPU is going to come 2024. Battle Mage is not been cancelled. They are in the GPU market. They are going to compete. Contrary to a lot of people believe that after this generation of Intel GPU, they will pull out from the GPU market, but it's not looking like that. And I was one of those people who thought that Intel will pull out from the GPU business, but it's not looking like that. So, hey, good for you, Intel. But it's not good for Insomniac Games because a big data breach happened with them. 1.67 petabytes of their internal data got public, which had employee details, their upcoming game details, source code, Unreal Engine 5 demo gameplays, and everything that they have been working on. Almost everything got leaked. Some hackers got access to their internal servers and locked it out and asked for a ransomware, and Insomniac said like, no, we are not paying you, and they didn't. So the hacker leaked everything to the public, and it's a pretty bad situation for Insomniac Games. I had a discussion with one of my friends, and he said that it's not a bad thing if a game company's internal files get leaked, except employee details and all those. If the game details leak, who cares? That game's gonna come out eventually, and they want to create hype. They will create trailers and a lot of things, and that is good until you think about the whole development cycle, like how a game development team works on a game. Because before the game goes gold, majority of the time the game doesn't look good, the mechanics are not working properly, like a lot of things are not confirmed, a lot of things will be added on later date, a lot of things that are added will be cancelled later on. So it's a very uncertain situation. So when all these data and all these information get leaked to public, some people might like something, some people might not, which can hurt the perception of that game before even the company get the chance to talk about that game. But according to this leak, Insomniac is working on an upcoming Wolverine game, a Venom game, another Spider-Man game, and also a new IP, new exclusive IP, who knows what's that. And they are not going to release any Ratchet of Clank games before 2029. So if you're waiting for a Ratchet of Clank game, hey, you have to wait for 2029. But you don't have to wait for this video to end, because this video is ending. Yes, this is the end of this video. And if you want to know more about all the stories that I've talked about, all the links are linked down in the description, so don't forget to check them out. And if you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't, feel free to dislike it. It's free, whether you like it or dislike it. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to watch more videos from us, check out this video right here. And this is Akash, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.